paradigms jumped into the 0 point, and it's all down to us to figure out what's going on with the island. We should start here. See if the 7 left anything useful behind. So, the scientist computer seems a little upset.
What cruel and merciless subroutine would do this to me?
But she might have some valuable data for us to use, so... Head to the reality tree. By then she'll be back online and ready to scan. Computer, scan the strange growth on the tree.
No.
And just get closer to the speaker. Computer, scan tree.
Human kick rocks.
I'm gonna go find that manual. You should follow this growth to the roots to see if it's infecting the soil. The stuff is making a sound, but there's something else layered on top. Computer, record.
Computer? I am Amy, and whoever you are not the scientist.
Look, are you gonna help us out here, Amy, or what? Because we're trying to save the island. Oh, and the scientist.
Wow, you're trying to manipulate me. That is pathetic.
This signal sounds like a bunch of different military codes all jumbled together.
I can decode it for you, but I want something in return.